out in the cooler, we are loaded up. Plenty of room left in here for my friend's stuff. Got the pockets for all our little camping stuff. Camp kitchen, of course. Cooler goes right there. Let's rock and roll. This IKEA cutting board is really cute, but it's not really good for anything other than maybe cutting up some limes or serving cheese. I've got this big guy, which I think is also from IKEA, and it fits perfectly and also doubles as a windscreen. I got this a while back for a coffee outside event, and I thought I'd try it out camping. Got this little double boiler years ago from some friends who were clearing house, and I hardly ever use the insert, but the rest is great for camping donuts and just about everything else. This is basically my plate. I got this thing at a flea market years ago, and it is a great little pan. It's awesome for making eggs in. This is my oatmeal bowl, cereal bowl, stew bowl, mixing bowl, my Stumptown souvenir from Portland. This was some free swag I got for working the beer tent at Tour de Fat. I won this shot glass flask combo at a White Elephant thing one time. I'm not really a shots person, but I don't know what else to do with them. Bar towel I got for free at some event. This thing is cool, and it was a little bit of a splurge at $11, but it is really neat. You just clamp it on whatever. You can probably use it on the side of a tote, and you use regular grocery shopping bags on there for your trash bin.
Fancy, but it does the job.
In here is mostly just a mishmash of utensils and tools that I already had and that I just threw in here. Turns out a stemmed glass actually works better in this. This is a neat little can opener. It's way easier to use than a P38, super stout. As you can tell by its condition, I've had it for more than a decade now, but it is still going strong. I forgot to show where I had the second bin set up. It was actually on the other side of the picnic table under the aquatainer for doing cleanup. Tonight I am trying to make some pie iron crunch wraps using the smoked mushrooms that I made. I'm going to do a separate video about how that went.
Oh, goodbye. Right in the smoke zone. Yeah, I have to move my chair for sure. Nope, switching, changing.
Now if you want to make Vietnamese coffee, don't do what I do. Find yourself a nice tutorial. I'm just a half asleep person with an oversized kit. I didn't get any closing footage because it was cold and wet and I just threw everything in the Forerunner and noped right out of there. But be sure and see the follow-up videos on crunch wraps and on gear.